Hello guys, today we are making a very simple recipe in Hindi which is called bhendi ki sabji. In English we will call it ladyfinger vegetable. Now there are few ingredients we are taking. We are taking garlic, we are taking green chili, we are taking 1 tomato and 1 big and 1 small onion chopped into big chunks. This is our ladyfinger or bhendi. This is our salt. This is our turmeric, and that's all. And we'll add a little bit of cumin seeds. That's all. So first we'll fry our ladyfinger in the oil. So let's put some oil. That's it. Yeah. So we have added a little bit of oil, and this is basically an iron kadai. Now, as in our last video I had told you I'm trying many dishes in iron kadai as it tastes good, healthy. So let's see what all dishes we can make in iron kadai. As many people are coming and referring me, okay, you should start cooking iron kadai or cast iron. Let's see what will be a result. Okay, so our oil is heated. We have added a little bit of cumin seeds. We'll add some ladyfinger here. Okay, this is done. Now the basic point is we can make directly also by adding first onion and then doing it, but sometimes it gets sticky. So first what we will do is we will fry our bhendi or ladyfinger here, and then later on we'll add our green chilies, onion, tomato, and then we'll again fry it. So it won't take much. See, now this is almost done now. See now. Sorry. Now many people actually complain their bhendi ka sabji get sticky, because see, the bhendi or ladyfinger usually gets sticky because when it gets contacted with the water, it will become sticky and it will not have that taste what we are expecting. So for the beginners, this is a tip that if you are not very comfortable making this vegetable, first fry the ladyfinger alone in a little bit oil in kadai or a pan, then remove it from the pan to a plate, and then add onion along with onion, means you can add green chilies, onion, tomato. Though tomato this time I will be adding later on, and we are just adding few things, that will be a turmeric and salt. That's all, as we are making this thing very simple. If someone wants to have a spice or garam masala they can add, but I would prefer this dish as simple as it. You can also add, which I have actually done earlier once, you can also add Maggi magic masala, which also gives a little bit good taste, which I'll show you later. Okay, so now this is done. We have already fried our bhendi on a high flame. Now if you see, all the chunks are literally separated, as we are going to fry it again, so we will not fry it here some more. Okay, well, I have added some oil to it. Now adding some garlic. Now as you can see, I have added oil, garlic, some green chilies, okay, it's done. Let's add onion. Now this onion basically I have made into a big chunks. Let's fry it together. Then we'll add some little bit turmeric, little bit salt, and that's all. Just stir it for a few minutes. As we don't have to make the onion completely brown, we just have to make it little bit pinkish brown. Once the onion is pinkish brown, we'll add bhendi into it, which we have already fried and kept aside. See, okay, now as you can see, the onion color has changed, and I said we don't have to fry much onion, so we'll be adding a little bit of turmeric. Here goes a 1 teaspoon of turmeric. See, this takes hardly few minutes to make it once you have cut all the ingredients. And you can give it into tiffin. It's good, healthy for lunch, dinner, if you want to have something light. Now we'll add our fried lady finger, or you can call it bhendi. Okay, so this is gone into our kadai. Okay, we'll just stir fry it. And now as you can see, okay, we'll add again a teaspoon of salt. and then we'll cover it up. And in another, see, I have added a little bit of salt. That's all. You don't require much ingredients to make this. See. That's all. Now we'll cover. See, now this is almost done. Now we'll add our tomatoes. Just sprinkle it, and that's all. As you can see, this is almost done and ready to serve. Now, you might not, some people might not like very raw tomatoes. So what you can do is keep a lid again and let it cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes, if you're going to serve after another 5 minutes, don't open the lid, just keep it close, but make sure that after 1 or 2 minutes you're going to close. Even after 1 minute, if you close your flame, that will be okay. So that's done now. So I'm closing my flame. That's all. So guys, our bhendi ki sabji is ready. You can check this. It's perfectly cooked. Now for dinner we are having bhendi ki sabji with our 90-degree paratha, and also we have our this 90-degree paratha, which as you can see, it is in 3 layers. Even I'll show you the other paratha. See, it opens the way you want. See, you can see this. This is perfectly our healthy dinner. Well guys, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.